God cares about honesty in the workplace. Your business is his business. Proverbs 16:11. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first thing first up, I'm going to be priming my face using the Pond Lasting Oil Control Vanishing Cream, and I'm going to be using that just for my nose area, my T-zone, because that's where I get most oily. And I'm going to go in with this concealer, the Black Opal Total Coverage Concealing Foundation. I'm going to, in Heavily Honey, I'm going to use that to just highlight underneath my eyes, and I'm going to just put that beauty blender, the beauty sponge, directly into the concealer because it gives this light feel to it than just applying it with a brush directly to my face, since I'm not using foundation. And I'm putting that in everywhere that I would normally highlight in my face, underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, my chin, and my forehead. I'm going to use that to just prime my eyelid as well, to get it ready for any kind of eyeshadow I'm going to be applying. And I'm going in with that dark shade concealer from my FBH concealer palette, and I'm using that to contour my nose and contour my face and my forehead and everywhere that I will contour. And mind you, I am not using foundation in this particular routine. I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge to just blend all that contour out. Blend, 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 making sure that I blend to have like a seamless blend. Next thing, I'm going to be going in with my Benai Topaz setting powder. I'm just going to translucent setting powder. I'm just going to use that to just set everywhere that I highlighted in my face, set literally everywhere, my eyelid, everywhere that I literally apply concealer, like my highlight concealer. So I'm contouring my face using my Tara powder palette, and I'm using the two darkest shades to just do that, contour my nose and contour my face as well. You know, we got to get this face snatched. We gotta get it snatched for Jesus. So next thing, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using one of my favorite shade called Silent from the Clear of Cosmetic palette. I'm just going to use that as a transition shade for all my eyeshadows I'm going to be applying. I'm really not doing too much, taking those two shades again, and I'm just putting that in my transition as well, putting that on top of, literally on top of the brand, the Silent shade I applied earlier on. Next thing, I'm going to be going in with this glitter from the Clear of Cosmetic palette eyeshadow. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. You know, nothing too much. We're just going in with a little drama, a little glitter for some little drama. And I'm going to be dusting off any excess powder underneath my eyes and literally on my face. So next thing, I'm going in with my Ocean's black pencil to just line my waterline. I'm going in with that orange shade that I use to blend my eyes, to just blend underneath my eyes, and I'm going in with the Silent shade to, you know, make it more intense. Next thing, I'm going in with my Avon Compact powder in the shade Fawn to just blend all this makeup together, like blend everything. We don't want to see no harsh line, honey. Like, we don't want it. We don't want it. So next thing, I'm going in with my Kiss Beauty makeup fix and just, you know, make all this makeup come together, like come together and take off all this powdery look. I went in with that brown pencil to just line my lip, and I'm going in straight with a lip gloss without applying any ombre lip, without applying any lipstick at the center of my lip. I literally love this combination. Like, I just love it like so much, and I like when I overline my lip, and I do this. Can you see that, honey? I'm going in my Any Lady 3D highlight, and I'm using the shade Rose Gold and Champagne to just highlight my face, highlight literally all the high points of my face, my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Next thing, I'm going to be blending again with my powder, my Avon powder. Just blend again, just for some extra something. And I'm going to go in with my setting spray again, just to do that. You know, we need some extra. Be extra. You know, we can't. Oh my god, yeah, give them, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a two word thing from this new routine that I've been loving. And make sure you subscribe, guys. Like, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn off your post notification bell as well. Like, share, comment. I mean, share with everyone you literally know, your friends, your family, everybody. I'll see you guys and catch you guys in my next video. I love you all, but God loves you more. Bye.